honey. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Can I get a small iced coffee, 5 caramels, 1 cream, extra ice, and a lot of whipped cream, please?
Hi, ma'am. Anything else?
Hi, honey. Yes. Do you have the blueberry donuts?
Let me check.
Okay.
Yes, we do. How many you want?
I have. You want a blueberry?
No, I want ice.
One, right? Anything else?
Yeah, I have one. No, that's it.
You can pull up.
Okay.
That's gonna be 6 kilo.
Okay. Thank you.
Give it.
Hi. I didn't see you there. How y'all doing today? How y'all feeling? So, I'm headed to, of course, y'all know I'm going to Dunkin'. So, here I am. Let me show you. I gotta unplug. Headed to Dunkin'. See? It's a drive-thru. So, what y'all got going on? Let me know in the comment section. So, we got doctor's appointment today. We got the Amazon locker. I gotta pick up my packages. I don't trust my neighbors, so yeah, I don't care. Let's see what else. We got a supermarket to go to. We got a farmer's market to go to, and we have the library to go to. Did I say doctor's appointment? Okay. So after Dunkin' is doctor, farmer's market. No, after Dunkin', library, doctor, farmer's market, Amazon locker. I don't know. Anyway, something like that. Anyway, so let's get back to the video. Right here, right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Not too short. Yay!
See, I told you.
That's okay. Oh, that's okay. You don't want this. Here, let's get this one. Come.
Okay. It's right?
No, right here.
Okay.
Hey guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna talk, but anyway, I do this every other day, like I told you. So y'all gonna see a lot of me doing her hair, like, and then school started, and it's bananas that it starts in New York September, but it starts in other states like August. Like, what's going on in the world? Like, why? But anyway, y'all like this hair? Wait till you see how my girl then did her thing to the chicken wing, honey. I know, look at all that hair. My hair was so long down to my butt. I'ma let her grow her hair out, and basically when she decide to cut it, she can cut it. But honey child, please, it's a lot. Yeah, so you see me braiding. Yeah, I know. I just didn't want y'all to be listening to that music and falling asleep. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to the regularly scheduled program. Hope y'all enjoying it. Don't forget to like and comment. Okay, you can share the video if you like. I appreciate you. Thank you to my new subscribers, and welcome to the family. Welcome to my channel. And to all my old subscribers, hey. So anyway, y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoying it so far. Let me know. But I know y'all are. Okay, toodles. Let me see your hair. Ooh, look what mommy did. Cheese. Let me see. Wow, look at this. I did such a good job. And the beads. Ooh, honey. You like it? Cheese. Ah, so beautiful.
Auntie.
Come on, let's put your hand down like this. Don't look at it.
Just
Don't look at
relax.
it.
Just
Don't look at it.
relax. Just relax.
1, 2.
Can you get up? Yes, Spider-Man bandage. You got your Hep B shot. Let me see. Wow. You're so strong. Yay.
That one wants you tart you, Mommy.
I know. It's okay. What you cooking?
I am going
Oh, look at the butterfly. Hi, pretty girl. So we're gonna get that right there. And it's gonna turn be beautiful.
Wow, so big.
It is. Come on. That's all right. You're gonna get, look at all these. Oh, don't do that. What are you doing? Look at it. I'm gonna get this one. I want them green so they could turn. Come on. I'm gonna get some collard greens. Alright, let's see. Give me a hand. Hold it with both hands. All right. Good job. This is what it's looking like. Ow. Dinner time. What y'all eating for dinner? Breaking news. So there's a lot of changes going on in my life now. So I'm back vegan. Yes, I am. That's collard greens with my Caribbean green seasoning. Yeah, and my fresh tomatoes from the garden. And I'm gonna do some green split peas soup with some pumpkin flavoring and some okra. You understand? You know the vibes. I might try that seafood mix. You never know.